Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit and Posturesize. Today we've got a great glute activation method for those of you with spondylolisthesis that simultaneously helps to stretch the tight hip flexors that many times aggravate spondylo and wake up those often neglected glute max muscles that can really make a difference in your spondylolisthesis lower back pain. So this exercise helps to correct many of the biomechanical distortions that complicate spondylolisthesis pain in the lower back. Namely, the anterior pelvic posture position where the tailbone is higher than the pubic bone. This causes an increased arch in the back and puts pressure on the back of the facet joints and the back of that spondylolisthesis and helps to drive that vertebra that's already slightly slipped forward into more of a mechanical slip, which aggravates our pain. Many times this has a tendency to over-tighten and over-dominate the force that's used in our daily activities of our lower back erector spinae muscles that run up both sides of our spine, while reciprocally inhibiting the glute max muscle because the hip flexors on the front of our body are tight from having our pelvis tilted anteriorly. So this glute activation method kind of takes all three of these problems and addresses it in one maneuver. Let's address the left side first. We're going to lay on a bench where we have half of our body on the bench and half of our body off the bench. You'll notice that my leg that I'm not going to stretch or activate, it's going to be the left side for this purpose that we're going to demonstrate the activation. My right leg, the non-involved leg, is going to be bent and relaxed. That helps to keep my tailbone tucked under and my back flat so I'm not going to arch my lower back. I can engage a little bit of tail under tension to accentuate that. And then with this leg in this position, if I already feel a stretch in here, I don't need to bring the leg down any further. If I don't feel a stretch in here, I'm going to straighten my knee so my thigh goes a little bit below the bench level. Again, the key with setting yourself up with this is if your lower back starts to arch, you many times will aggravate pain. So make sure that this leg is up. In some cases, you may have to actually pull it up towards your chest to help your abdominal muscles, which are usually weak. Keep that tailbone tucked under and keep that lower back flat against the bench so it's not arching. Once you're in a comfortable position of the amount of the leg up on the right side and the amount of the leg down where you feel a slight stretch in the front of your groin or in the front of the thigh, the side front of your hip, you're going to simply squeeze isometrically, tense that buttock on the leg that's down. That's going to activate the glute, and as you maintain tail under tension and knee in, you're going to hold that for 90 seconds. At the end of 90 seconds, you're going to slowly release the buttock tension, slowly put the leg down, and this is very important, you're going to slowly keep the tailbone under as you bring that leg up and onto the bench. Move slowly. After 90 seconds, you've just reorganized the tension in many muscles around your lower back and pelvis, and you don't want to move quickly because it could aggravate you. You're going to slowly roll to your side, maintain your RPI. Remember, that's your specific correction of your unique posture and biomechanics of your lower back. You can learn about that on the painfreeandfit.com or Posturesize websites. That RPI should be held during this entire exercise, and especially as we come out of it to protect the lower back. And then you can go and do the same exercise for the other side. If you like this exercise and would like to learn more healing exercises and pain relief exercises for spondylolisthesis, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of great videos out there. If you'd like to help me share this vital information with others, give me a thumbs up below. We have a great fast-track healing method, healing exercise program for spondylolisthesis available at the Pain Free and Fit website. It's got all the pain-free and fit pain relieving exercises, healing exercises, coordination and strengthening exercises. It's got stretches, your self-analysis, how to plug these corrections into your daily activities and your sports again without aggravating your spondylolisthesis, all in a cohesive package in that fast-track Spondylo program. If you're interested, it's a great way to get your lower back pain-free and fit again and help with your spondylolisthesis pain.